How to turn off notification. Are you guys facing issue to turn off notification on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To turn off notification on PrimeXBT, first of all, open PrimeXBT on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, now just simply look at the top left corner of your screen where you can see your profile icon. Click on it. After you click on it, you'll be forwarded to this section. To turn off the notification, just head over to this setting option. Now, you'll be able to see options like account, security, notification. Select notification. After you select it, just simply toggle all these options. Once you toggle it off, you won't be able to get notification from PrimeXBT. That's it guys, that's how you're gonna turn off notification on PrimeXBT application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.